Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SONY Pulse Explore headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily fix Bluetooth pairing issues. As you can see, we have to go into Connect Devices in our Android phone and scroll down to Connect Preferences. Here we have to tap Bluetooth and disable Bluetooth for a moment. The same we have to do with our iPhone. Now we have to close our case lid and now enable Bluetooth again. Now we have to open our case lid and now go into pairing mode. Then we have to check if we can connect with our headphones. If we still can't connect with our headphones, we have to do a soft reset. We have to close our case lid and after 10-20 seconds we have to open it back. If we still can't connect with our headphones, we have to do a hard reset. If it's still not possible to connect with our headphones, we have to contact the device support. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.